Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2024 ACURA MDX? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard houses key instruments and controls, including the speedometer, fuel gauge, infotainment screen, and warning indicators. The cluster displays key driving info like speed, RPM, and warnings using digital or analog gauges behind the steering wheel. The LCD in a vehicle displays information such as navigation, media, or vehicle settings, offering clear visuals through a digital screen. The gear selector allows the driver to choose between driving modes such as park, reverse, neutral, and drive. The button controls on the door panel manage functions like window operation, mirror adjustment, and door locking. The steering wheel controls direction and may include a functional button. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, brake system, automatic brake hold system, malfunction indicator lamp, charging system indicator, shift position indicator, 7-speed manual shift mode, transmission system indicator, seat belt reminder indicator, low fuel indicator, anti-lock brake system, supplemental restraint system, electric power steering, vehicle stability assist, vehicle stability off indicator, low tire pressure, dynamic lift mode, turn signal and hazard, lights on indicator. High beam indicator, auto high beam indicator, fog light indicator, system message indicator, high temperature indicator, adaptive cruise control, auto idle stop off indicator, auto idle stop suspend indicator, auto idle stop system, immobilizer system indicator, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist system, safety support indicator, safety precaution, know your symbols, immediate attention, don't ignore flashing symbols, stop driving for red warning lights, check manual for unknown symbols, regular maintenance, cluster awareness, don't distract yourself, low visibility of symbols, use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.